Learning about the Chinampas and then actually coming to one and seeing how sustainable it is and how green it is has been very enjoyable for me. I really enjoy seeing how much nature has been integrated into the lifestyle.
Some call it the floating garden, but it's not actually floating. It's a way that the Aztec people were able to make land in the middle of a lake where they planted trees and took in sediment and rocks and soil to create gardens. And when we learned about it, we were thinking about how it'd be so cool to see one in person. And then we got to see them in person.
Being in the water and seeing how the root system is so interconnected that it creates this giant rectangular platform that the garden can rest on. I think that kind of tied more things together in my head.
I've done most of my research on aquaponics in an urban setting. You definitely don't get the hands-on aspect, realizing how much work is actually necessary, the things that you need, like the water, the soil, how much soil, and just really experiencing how a successful solution works, especially in a different culture.
And the people who are descendants of Aztecs are able to help maintain them and grow food. So we're able to come over and see it and help with some of the planting processes.
I've taught this class for several years at Rice, and I can describe a lot of these processes, but being here and looking at the actual process, seeing a biofilter, how the people built it, and getting the whole explanation of the thing right at the place where it's being used, I think it's a much more stronger case. And I think that for the students, and even for me, right, it's a much more of a learning experience that stays with you.